In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Apple Card as a payment method on Amazon. While Apple Pay isn't directly supported on Amazon, there's still a way for you to take advantage of your Apple Card when making purchases. This method involves adding your Apple Card to your Amazon account, and here's how you can do just that. First, let's start by opening Amazon on your preferred device. Whether you're using the app or a web browser, the steps remain the same. Start by heading to the Account and Lists section, located typically at the top right of your screen. Once you click there, a drop-down menu will appear, and you should look for and select Your Account. This will direct you to a comprehensive overview of your account settings and where we'll begin focusing on your payment options next. Now, with your account settings open, locate the section labeled Payments and Shipping. Within this section, you should click on Your Payments. This area houses all your current payment methods and is the gateway to adding new ones. It provides a secure environment to manage your financial information and ensure everything is up to date. The next step involves adding a new payment method. On this page, you'll spot the Add a Payment Method button. Click on this and you'll be given several options to choose from. What we want is to add a credit or debit card. In the following form, enter the details of your Apple Card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, which can be found on the card itself, and the CVV, a 3-digit security code. Don't worry, Amazon uses encryption to keep this information safe at all times. Once all the necessary details are filled out, follow the prompts to finalize the process. These prompts will guide you through a couple of confirmation screens to ensure all the information entered is correct and up to date. Be certain to double-check each detail you enter. Accuracy is key to preventing any errors during the checkout process later on. And there you have it. With your Apple Card now added to your Amazon account, you're empowered to choose it as a payment method whenever you're ready to check out on Amazon. To do this, simply select it from the list of payment options provided during the checkout phase. This simple setup can enhance your convenience and take advantage of your Apple Card benefits with all your Amazon purchases. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this guide helpful for more tips and tricks like these.